My president, you know they deal with houses.
Yes, show me.
Okay, can you read what it says here?
Deed of transfer.
What does it mean?
If you own something, deed of transfer.
What does it mean? Answer me, my president. What does deed of transfer
Are you
mean?
schooling us or you're schooling us? Which one is it?
What does it mean?
A deed is an ownership, or let's say that. Okay.
Oh, you want to see? I read. Even let me show you the front of the cover.
Yeah, show me.
Yeah,
I'm ready.
You see, my president?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see properly?
Very clearly, I don't have eye problem.
Oh, okay, sharp.
Sharp.
Don't worry, my president.
But
it's going to be a very, very long day.
Waterfall. That's true. But it's not the house in waterfall because I know the house number.
Mr. President, don't ruin the fun now. You
okay,
see, now
sorry.
Now you're starting. Wait, I'm still waiting for another section.
I withdraw, my friend. I withdraw. Sorry about that. Okay, sharp.
I'm still looking for another section. Oh,
tell me something. What are you looking for? Are those all cars, to be honest, ne? Your cars.
My president, we are not on cars. We're still on cars. Actually, you said I must show you a title deed. And you know what
sorry.
The problem is, Mr. President?
My bad.
You know what the problem is, ne? The problem, Mr. President.
Sorry. I'm very sorry. I withdraw my. I'm really,
okay.
You are better. Gossipy came to me and asked me to show him something. At least want to show me something.
Okay, sharp. So,
hey, keep quiet. I'm talking to someone. Come on, one of the boys. That's my friend. I love you so much. You can talk right now. When I talk to someone,
sharp.
You must keep quiet.
Sharp.
They don't own it.
Mr. President,
like yours that is old. Yes,
Mr. President, let me educate you.
Yes,
have you bought a property before in your life? Yes or no? It's a yes or no question.
It's a yes. Only one.
Oh, only one. All right. I'm proud of you, my president.
The lawyers, and then I know where I bought it from, and I can even tell you the attorneys where they are from and stuff like that.
No, you don't need to do that. You just need to show a document like I've shown you. Title deed. We call it title deed.
Yes, I am.
Have it. Oh, you have it.
Come on. I'm with my friend. Never CD because PE where there's too much eat. Yes, let's talk.
So you have a title deed as well.
My friend, mine doesn't have to go through a lot of searching. I just show you to present. I have a copy.
Okay,
a copy of whatever you buy. You can have a copy. I can just show you a copy. I'm not
sharp. I know this is not a copy, my president. This is the original. It's collected directly from STBB. That's why I said Google them. Call them. Actually, you can call them and ask them what do they do. They will tell you, my president. These are not maintenance lawyers or labor lawyers. You can call them and find out. Sharp. Okay. We are moving on, my president. Ne? Let's come to the Bentley now.
No, don't suggest it. Wait. Correct. Don't just say Bentley. Say an old Bentley, please. Don't just. Bro, the people that you see me with me, I'm a real French man. When are you telling us about a Bentley? That's only 12. Put the crazy work. Coach, I love you, but I can't let you ride. That Bentley is obviously called say an old Bentley, my bro. There's a word that's
wait, my president. Wait, let's address things step by step.
Okay, sure.
I want to understand something.
Yes.
Do I have a Bentley or not? Because I don't understand how did we get to an old Bentley.
You have a Bentley. You are right.
Oh, I have it now. Oh, yes. wait. I have it now.
No, he has it. I never say never have it. No.
I didn't know.
I'm saying the process of him buying the Bentley is not the right process.
Also, you bought it. You agree?
No. The process of him buying it is not him buying the Bentley.
But he has it.
Yeah, he's using it, but not through him. No, wait. Let me explain something. Can't you have that Bentley that is driving it? But he died because he blacklisted. You see, that's the problem.
Oh, you bought it through someone.
Yes.
The
person who. Yes, and then people they come to me.
It's his car.
It's not his car. It belongs to the bank.
Hey, you president.
You know what he did? Even the time when you say he had too much cars, he will put money to different people to get those cars.
And do
So
what?
one of the
So yes, man, you agree? No, no, answer the question.
to be honest, ne?
Yes, be honest.
No, he doesn't.
Then why is putting money to different people?
The money is not belong to him because the broker that he say he owns it doesn't own it. This is my friend.
Heck, I don't know.
But it's fine. Well, let's not fight about that. Are you on my side or not? His side?
No, I'm on my sofa here.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, so wait, Mr. President, we're still on the Bentley issue, ne? Yeah. So let me understand. At first you said I don't have a Bentley. So
I never said you don't have. I said you need to buy it yourself
issue.
because you are blacklisted. That's what I said. I never said
Okay,
you don't
sharp.
have.
So to buy a Bentley, wait, my president.
Yes.
Listen. Ne? To buy a Bentley, my president, what do you need from the bank if you're going to buy it cash? Just tell me. I'm asking as a fan.
Yeah, and as a person who have bought a car cash.
What do you need?
Yeah,
why do you need the bank?
Wait, you ask a question, you want to talk too much. Keep your mouth shut. Me, when I went to buy my car cash, I went with my card. It has money and my ID. That's it. Then they give me those things. Then my ID, my ID and the card. That's what they need. Because the ID is to show that the name on your car or whatever. Ne? You get the license number plate, disc and whatever. Your cars, they don't have number plate because you can't even show them because we're going to Google them and know who they belong to. You're shaking, my friend. You are shaking. I went with a bank card and my ID.
Wait.
I swiped the
wait,
card. Then listen.
Bank card, what are you doing?
Wait, let me finish. I swiped. They said, no, you can't take the card because we don't know if you're going to reverse the money. Yes. I swiped the card. Sure.
Wait, you swiped how much? Which car was it?
How much was
How
Yes.
much did you swipe?
The one that took your ex-girlfriend.
How much was it?
How much was it? Which car is it and how much?
Hey, there's a Bentley. How much?
How much? My president, how much?
I can't disclose that for security reasons.
He's talking about your Bentley or Bentley.
My president, you swiped a car for how much?
I can't. I'm gonna block you. I can't repeat that because of security reasons.
What? And how much?
You want me to? I'm gonna post the thing that you want me to post. Just don't do that.
What is it that you want to post, my president?
I have too much information about you. Too much, very damaging. That can destroy you. Problem, my president. I'm gonna call you. You said this is for fun, isn't it? Let's don't push me. Don't push
me. My president, the only reason why I'm on this live is because I didn't go to work today. That is the only reason why.
No way. How can you have work because you don't own any shit? What do you work? What do you do? You want me to know? The broker that you got FDK, I know who it belongs to. I have everything. Relax.
Okay, let's talk. Who does it belong to? Wait, my president. My president.